hate that stocks are peddled to the black community because stocks are not a money-making tool if you don't have money, right? You have to be able to trade off the dime with millions of information competing against institutional investors. It's gambling. That's what you're doing. You're gambling.
TLDR, he's basically saying for retail traders, for the most part, to not trade at all. And I think he specifically means, options trading on a retail level intraday. And he basically says that stock trading is gambling and that you're competing with institutions who have hundreds of millions of dollars, insider trading as well as infrastructure. And he's right. He has a great point. But once you've truly been trading for 5 years, I've made multiple six figures, net positive P&L. The reason why the failure rate is so high with trading, especially on a retail level, is because nobody, and I'm telling you, 99% of people, the masses, the retail masses, not people who've been day trading futures or options contracts or, people like you and me who probably are in the industry, they quite literally have no clue on what the fuck they're talking about, okay? These people who are saying that day trading is gambling are the same people who don't even know what the definition of an options contract is. They don't know what implied volatility is. They don't know what gamma exposure is, gamma hedging, Monte Carlo simulations, data collection, etc. And 99% of retail day traders treat trading, I don't even like to call it day trading, but they treat trading as gambling. They think that, I'm just going to get rich overnight and I'm going to, hit it big, and that is gambling. We know that. But I can tell you for a fact you can 100% make money day trading and trading in general and, make above average returns, alpha, you could say, essentially beating the S&P. It is 100% possible as a retail day trader. It's just people they don't understand what they're talking about. They don't know what they're talking about, so they tell you it's impossible. The benefit of being a retail trader is that, number one, your positions don't move the market, right? You can quite literally, on a technical level, buy and sell and catch great trends, catch great moves because, again, your positions are not moving the market. You don't have these institutional limitations. So you can create a strategy, an edge, right? If finding some edge in some asset, some derivative, some methodology, some strategy, and then you can apply that strategy and make money, assuming you have enough data on it, you're confident in it, you've done a walk forward test, you've back tested it, etc. And then once you get years of experience, you can apply a little bit of discretion to then optimize your win rate, optimize that EV, that policy function, and then, hopefully make even more money. Again, the reason why people think day trading is a scam or is gambling is because they don't have any clue on what any of these things are. They don't understand risk management, position sizing, and they just don't have the right information. They don't have the right, basic understanding of how markets work, these definitions, and then they blame that, day trading is gambling, I lost all my money, because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. If people took the time to educate themselves, they would know that day trading is not gambling, but they don't, and they just want to be non-playable characters because that's what society is.